初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I have class at 10.
I have class at 10.
我10点有课。
I have class at 10.
I have class at 10.
What subject is this?
What subject is this?
这是什么科目？
What subject is this?
What subject is this?
Is this class full now?
Is this class full now?
这个班现在满了吗？
Is this class full now?
Is this class full now?
I want to change class.
I want to change class.
我想换班。
I want to change class.
I want to change class.
Can I drop this course?
Can I drop this course?
我可以退这门课吗？
Can I drop this course?
Can I drop this course?
What time does it start?
What time does it start?
几点开始？
What time does it start?
What time does it start?
Where is classroom 105?
Where is classroom 105?
105教室在哪里？
Where is classroom 105?
Where is classroom 105?
How many credits is it?
How many credits is it?
这门课有多少学分？
How many credits is it?
How many credits is it?
I'm late for class.
I'm late for class.
我上课迟到了。
I'm late for class.
I'm late for class.
Do we need a textbook?
Do we need a textbook?
我们需要课本吗？
Do we need a textbook?
Do we need a textbook?
May I go to the washroom?
May I go to the washroom?
我可以去洗手间吗？
May I go to the washroom?
May I go to the washroom?
I don't understand this part.
I don't understand this part.
我不明白这部分。
I don't understand this part.
I don't understand this part.
Can you repeat that again?
Can you repeat that again?
你能再重复一遍吗？
Can you repeat that again?
Can you repeat that again?
Please speak more slowly.
Please speak more slowly.
请说慢一点。
Please speak more slowly.
Please speak more slowly.
I didn't hear the question.
I didn't hear the question.
我没听到问题。
I didn't hear the question.
I didn't hear the question.
I forgot to bring my book.
I forgot to bring my book.
我忘记带书了。
I forgot to bring my book.
I forgot to bring my book.
Do we have a quiz today?
Do we have a quiz today?
今天有小测验吗？
Do we have a quiz today?
Do we have a quiz today?
What is the deadline?
What is the deadline?
截止日期是什么时候？
What is the deadline?
What is the deadline?
Can I submit it online?
Can I submit it online?
我可以在线提交吗？
Can I submit it online?
Can I submit it online?
I missed the last class.
I missed the last class.
我错过了上一节课。
I missed the last class.
I missed the last class.
What is the homework today?
What is the homework today?
今天的作业是什么？
What is the homework today?
What is the homework today?
I haven't finished it yet.
I haven't finished it yet.
我还没完成。
I haven't finished it yet.
I haven't finished it yet.
Is this assignment graded?
Is this assignment graded?
这个作业会评分吗？
Is this assignment graded?
Is this assignment graded?
Can I ask for more time?
Can I ask for more time?
我可以申请更多时间吗？
Can I ask for more time?
Can I ask for more time?
I studied for the test.
I studied for the test.
我为考试复习了。
I studied for the test.
I studied for the test.
When is the final exam?
When is the final exam?
期末考试是什么时候？
When is the final exam?
When is the final exam?
This question is too hard.
This question is too hard.
这个问题太难了。
This question is too hard.
This question is too hard.
I need help with this.
I need help with this.
我需要帮助。
I need help with this.
I need help with this.
Can you check my answer?
Can you check my answer?
你能检查我的答案吗？
Can you check my answer?
Can you check my answer?
How many points is it?
How many points is it?
这有多少分？
How many points is it?
How many points is it?
Can I talk to the teacher?
Can I talk to the teacher?
我可以和老师谈谈吗？
Can I talk to the teacher?
Can I talk to the teacher?
I have a question here.
I have a question here.
我这里有个问题。
I have a question here.
I have a question here.
You explained it very clearly.
You explained it very clearly.
你解释得非常清楚。
You explained it very clearly.
You explained it very clearly.
I want to join the group.
I want to join the group.
我想加入这个小组。
I want to join the group.
I want to join the group.
Who is in my group?
Who is in my group?
我的组员是谁？
Who is in my group?
Who is in my group?
Let's study together later.
Let's study together later.
我们待会儿一起学习吧。
Let's study together later.
Let's study together later.
Do you want to review?
Do you want to review?
你想复习吗？
Do you want to review?
Do you want to review?
Can we change partners?
Can we change partners?
我们可以换搭档吗？
Can we change partners?
Can we change partners?
Good luck on the test.
Good luck on the test.
祝你考试好运。
Good luck on the test.
Good luck on the test.
See you after class.
See you after class.
下课后见。
See you after class.
See you after class.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。